Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix high memory CPU and RAM usage in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to disable unnecessary startup programs. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together to open up Task Manager. In here you just need to go to startup apps and you just need to disable unnecessary apps starting up in the startup. Just by right click on them and select disable. After doing that, just to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to end high CPU and RAM usage processes. To do this, open up Task Manager and go to Processes tab and find any apps using high CPU and RAM. Just right click on them and select End Task. After that, just to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to disable SYS main and other background services. To do this, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to search for SYS main service. Just double click on it, stop the service and set the startup type to disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. You just need to do the same thing for Windows search service. Windows search, double click on it, stop, disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. Now search for connected user experiences, and telemetry. Just double click on it. Startup type set to disabled and stop the service and select apply and OK for save changes and just to close stuff here. For this step, you just need to adjust virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type advanced system settings, click on open it. Under performance, select settings, select advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. And in this drive list, you just need to select C drive and select the custom size option. Now you just need to find out how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC, click on open it. And in installed RAM, you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for this install size values and maximum size values. In my case, I have 8 GB RAM, so I am copying this 8 GB value, copy and paste it in install size. The same way for maximum size, copy and paste it in maximum size and select the set option and select OK and select apply and OK. Select OK and select the restart now option and restart your PC. Fifth step, you just need to update Windows and drivers. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any updates available, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. After that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to update your graphics driver. To do this, you just need to open up the software that comes with your graphics card. Go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card driver up to date. After doing that, just to close stuff here. Now you can enjoy faster Windows 11 performance. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.